Hi class, this is Jeff. I'm going to talk about problem 3.3. You're supposed to predict the formula of ionic compounds from common polyatomic ions. So these are actually easier to do than some of the other ions because the charges are already given. So if we look at the first or the question here, we'll write the empirical formula for at least 4 ionic compounds that could be formed from the following ions. So ionic compounds are going to be with a positive ion and a negative ion. Okay. So we have 2 positive, 2 negative. So basically we'll do PB is lead with that, with the iodide and then the phosphate, and then we'll do this one, the ammonium with the iodate and the phosphate. Okay. All right. So we're going to put PB. Do the first one, PB, and then IO3 minus 1. Okay, so the crisscross will be down there and then this one. So we get PB1, IO3, 4. Okay, and then we can dispense with the ones. So this parentheses around the whole thing means that there's 4 of those. Okay, so it'd be this kind of guy here, and then be an IO3 and IO3 and IO3 and IO3. Minus plus 4. Okay, so that's how it would be arranged. All right, so that's the first one that we can do. The second one you can do is lead and the phosphate. So we get PB4 plus, and then PO4 3 minus. Okay, so this is going to be 3 and 4 crisscrossing. So we get PB3 and then PO4 with a 4 outside of that. Okay, so that one's the second one. And then the third one would be the ammonium ion, so NH4. The iodine molecule. So these are just going to be 1 and 1. So we just get rid of the charges, and this is the form of that. You might want to put parentheses around that sometimes. Okay, and then the fourth one will be ammonium, PB4, phosphate. Oops. Ammonium, phosphate. So we're going to go 3 to this one down here, and then 1 down here. So it's going to be an NH4, parentheses 3, because there's 3 of these NH4s, and then PO4. Okay. And so that's basically how you'll process these. Okay, let us know if you have any questions.